Hello everyone, myself Girish with SolidWorks Visualize series of tutorial. So here we will just see the different type of output options in SolidWorks Visualize. So that is of interactive images, panorama views, turntables and configurations and all cameras. How to get the outputs according to these, we just have a look on these. And you could see these are the different models with the different configurations which I have created by using this SolidWorks Visualize. Okay, and one by one you could say this is the blue with the yellow with orange and so on. Okay, so now how to create these all the steps, we'll see. The agenda is to deal with the interactive images. So the interactive images are the HTML docs which will bring all the views into account with respect to various angles. Panorama views, so these are same as set of interactive images, but these provide the interior views, that also we'll see. And the turntables, so how exactly they're gonna help us, we'll see what exactly the turntable animations, we're gonna have a look on it. And one more is the configurations. So if you have created the multiple configurations inside your Visualize, how to just get the output accordingly. And even we have the all cameras option in that, we'll see that also. Okay, so this is the model you could see here. And now how to produce the different configurations. Let's say from here you can use the tabs. We have the icon to create the new item, so you can simply name it as, let's say I need a red configuration should be added, just type it red. So now you'll be having the red configurations into account. Now I have created the same thing with respect to blue and orange, yellow. Now here I need to make the red, right? Let me just showcase the same. I'll switch to the appearance tab. Okay, I'll just select the appearance, this one. Okay, hello, right? You can simply create a copy of this, Control V and Control C. Now this one I need to make the changes. So I'll go back to the red, and here I'll make the changes into this color. Okay, I'll directly select the color options from the general option, and I'll make the changes to completely red. Okay, and this one I'll drag and drop it to the face where I need to apply. Okay, like this again with the coloring. Let's say the background also I need the same. So what you can do is you can switch to the background options. I need to again create a copy of this, so I'll activate this. Okay, the warehouse 5 is my background for this particular configuration. So here if I just select the environment, accordingly environment will be your background. If you select the color will be your background. Okay, I'll change the color as per the color coding of this entire model. So what you can select here is the best option is the color picker. Just drag and drop it on the color which you are looking for. Okay, even you can just make the variations what exactly you're looking for, and then you can simply turn on the accurate mode. If you are still not convinced with this, you can simply make the changes into this. I need exactly the red only. Okay, let me see now. Yeah, this looks good for me. And now I'll lock this appearance. Okay, so whatever the changes I have done, it should be here. And same thing, if I switch to the blue, you could see it is here. I'll just switch to the preview mode to showcase the same. Orange and then yellow. So same thing, you can customize the different views accordingly and different environments. At the background you can set it like this, red. Okay, you can make the changes like this. So once you have created these all the kinds of variety of configurations, how to get these all the configurations as an output once. To do that, you can use this output tools. Right now I need uh, the images as the output. So you can define the image format. So I would like to have the PNG format. You can select it. Render output mode. Here we have the options. That is all cameras, all configurations, and the panoramic interactive. I need all the configurations into account, and simply you can define the which type of mode you are looking for, accurate, and the number of passes. And here only you can able to set your the size of the resolution. So we have the different output options. If you want the high resolution, you can set it here. By default it will take 4096. If I set it as default, it will take the LED HD TV format, the size 19201080 okay. So this is how we can generate the different outputs with respect to all the configurations. If I just simply click on render, it will generate the render images as I shown before. And now I'll switch to the view configuration. Now how to use the turntable. So this is the turntable option. It is enabled here by using this enable tool. Okay, and you can simply animate it. So this will give you the automated turntable. Okay, you don't need to worry about it. So you'll be having the animations accordingly. You can even place the card models or any of the models with respect to this turntable. You can speed up or you can reverse the rotation. Okay, so if you want to just get the output, we have the option that is turntable. From here you can get the animation, create a movie, and just define the clockwise, anti-clockwise frame numbers and start render. Okay, this is with respect to the turntable. Now, how to get the output as a HTML link? That is what I'm looking for. To do that, you can directly go ahead with this tool, and here I'll just switch to the interactive image. Okay, and just define the location where you want to save it. Okay, on the desktop it is new folder. You can define the format as JPEG and the angle. Okay, so I'll keep it as it is. So orbits 2020 0 to 180 degree angle, it should have the angles of freedom. I'll go ahead with the preview mode because it will take less time. If you want the more high resolution images, you can simply put it for the accuracy mode and define the time frame. Okay, I'll simply click on start render. Okay, so here you could see the HTML link will be automatically generated, that you can use it for the sharing purpose. Okay, and you can directly share it to your customers so that they can just use this particular format to just review the entire model. They can even zoom in, zoom out by using the simple link, HTML link. Okay, so this is one way again. And now I do need to deal with the panorama view. So here you could see this is the entire kitchen system which I have just loaded from the GrabCAD again. So again I have used some of the renders inside, how manually rendered it accordingly. And now how to generate the panoramic view to just showcase the same to the customers. To do that one, you need to set your particular camera at the center location. So you can use the different methods to set it exactly at the center. That is by just hovering exactly at the camera location, or else you can simply use uh, the camera transformation tool, which I have explained in the another session that you can refer. You can simply create one more camera, Control C, Control V here, and you'll be having the camera at the center. And now once you have the camera at the center, you can just activate that camera and you can start with the, so that camera is active here. Now you can go to the output options and directly go ahead with the panoramic view and just use the rendered selection mode and just use the start render. So once you do that, you'll be having this particular view into account, the panoramic view. So you can able to zoom in, zoom out, rotate the model. Okay, these are all the steps you can do it. Okay, so this is how it's gonna generate the entire panoramic view. With respect to the center camera, you can get all the views. So we have seen about the interactive images, how to generate them. So these HTML documents you can share it to customers so that they can directly access the link and they can see the model with respect to the different angles. Okay, the panorama views, so which will again help us to see the interiors as we have just seen the kitchen interiors. So that will be the great advantage to give it to the customers, right? The turntables, so simple method, we have the turntable option directly available, you can render it accordingly. And finally we have seen all configurations and all cameras options to generate the outputs accordingly. Well, so that's all about this session. So if you like this session, please do like and subscribe and even please share it to your colleagues. Thank you. Stay tuned.